So we got the Panda box. I picked this up at my local fireworks store. They had a 50% off deal, so I got it for $100. And we're gonna see what's inside. I already lit 2 fountains today. One of them was a nice aerial fountain. That was pretty good. And then the other one was just a normal ground fountain. It's still pretty good. It's not quite as good. So we're gonna dig into this. We can. Alright, so first you got these Saturn missiles. They call them whistling bamboo missiles. You get like 100 of them, 425 shots. Pretty cool. They're usually pretty fun. And then we got these 3 cakes right here. They're all pretty much the same thing. They're really light. I don't know if they're good. I mean, they look big, but they're really small. They're really light. We got 3 of those. Let's go over here. We got these Cosmic Panda aerial plus fountain combo. So this is kind of what I lit before, like I was saying. They're pretty good. Bamboo blast fountain. It's a little box. Yep. If you can see there, it's just a little tiny tube in there. So they do that just to fill space. See here, you got the rainbow Panda fountain. Emits showers of sparks. It's not an aerial fountain. Take this up. We got 4 packs of these poppets, these snappers. Just throw them on the ground or snap them in your hand. They're fun, cheap fun. Good for little kids when they're around. We got 4 packs of those. And here we got this aerial fountain combo, the Camo Panda. So it's fairly heavy. Excited to light this one. Seems good. Okay, so we got these 6 10-shot bamboo Roman candles. Good fun. I just lit some today. They're fun. So, Roman candles. And then here we get into a cake. Oh, like a 100-gram cake. 49 shots in this little thing. It's really light. I'm just guessing, like, maybe like a battery missile or something like that. In there, nothing too crazy. And here we got almost 100 shots, the Panda Party. But assume it's the same thing. It's smaller, so I don't know. Maybe a bunch of colored balls. Reports. Flaming balls and reports. There's that. And here is an Attack Panda aerial plus fountain combo. The bore sizes on these are pretty big, like an inch in diameter. And there's 7 total there. This would be good. And then now we're getting to the big stuff. Here we got the artillery bombs. There's 6 of them, if I'm not mistaken. I am pretty sure there's. Let's open them up. Let's see. Here we go. Struggling here. There we go. So yeah, there's 6 of these. They're just bombshells. And it comes with a tube, which is nice. And so yeah, there's 6 of these. From the box, it showed what looked like pretty good breaks. I would assume they're pretty loud, but you never know. So there's 2 of these, a green box and a pink box. I would assume they're the same thing. They just made it look like they're different. Let's see here. I'll just worry about that later. So we got the same thing here. The Panda bombs, artillery. It says shells, but they're really the bombs like those. I've watched other videos. See here, you can see those breaks. They look pretty good, but still, you never know. 6 of those. So you get 12 total artillery shots. And then here's the Panda Blast finale. Looks like a big, like, 4-inch shell in here. This is the finale. It's yep. So it's fairly heavy. And yeah, that's everything in the Panda box.